Hi guys, welcome as we solve this question. Guys, here we have a cuboid and the cuboid volume of the cuboid with the square base, open the bracket 2 square root of 3 minus 3, close the bracket, meter cubed. Guys, this is the volume. Find the height. So guys, we are looking for the height and this is the height right here. Guys, we also have the base. That is the length of the base. One side is 2 minus square root of 3. And so guys, now we come to the question. So guys, we have one side of the base which is square is 2 minus square root of 3. And so guys, we start off to do the question. First, we identify the volume. The volume, guys, is given by the area of the base, we shall call A, multiplied by the height. And guys, we have our volume right here. So the volume is 2 square root of 3 minus 3. This is now equal to area, which is supposed now to be square of this. That is 2 minus square root of 3 squared, which of course we can still write another one here to represent, so that now guys it is square. That is, this is squared when we write like that. Now multiplied by the height. So guys, for us to get the height, we divide, that is volume divided by the area. This is the area. And so guys, we shall have here 2 square root of 3 minus 3 all over. Guys, now we can square our values here. That is 2 minus square root of 3 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 3. So guys, when we do that, we shall have, here we shall write, we shall multiply 2 multiplied by 2. Guys, this comes to 4 minus, this will now be 2 multiplied by that. Square root of 3 is negative 2 square root of 3. The same with negative square root of 3 multiplied by 2. Guys, this is going to be 2 again, square root of 3. And finally, we shall have square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. Guys, this will come to plus 3. And on the top here, we have 2 square root of 3 minus 3. So guys, we continue. So this now becomes 2 square root of 3 minus 3. And for the lower one, we now come and add. So this one becomes 4 square root of 3. So guys, we shall have 4 plus 3, which is 7, minus 4 square root of 3. So guys, we are supposed to divide that for us to get the height. That is to divide 2 square root of 3 minus 3 over 7 minus 4 square root of 3. Guys, we multiply this by the conjugate of that. Conjugate of 7 minus 4 square root of 3, which is 7 plus 4 square root of 3. And now we multiply both sides so that the equation remains the same. 7 multiply there. We also multiply here. And so, guys, this is now going to be, for the lower, for the diameter, sorry, for the denominator, we shall have, this is 49. Remember, this comes from the difference of 2 square. So this comes to 49 minus, This is now 16 multiplied by 3, which is 48. For the numerator, guys, should have finished here. This one now comes to 7 multiplied by that. This comes to 14 square root of 3. Now plus, this now comes to 8 times 3, which is 24, minus 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. This comes to negative 21. And finally minus 3 times 4, which is 12 square root of 3. So guys, now we are going to have our height will now be equal to 14 square root of 3 minus 12 square root of 3 comes to 2 square root of 3. Because these are similar, and so we just take away 14 minus, we just say 14 minus 12. Then we have also here 24 minus 21. Guys, this comes to plus 3. And now guys, we are asked to write in the form h equals to a plus b root 3. And so therefore guys, our answer should be equals to h 3, which is this, the real, this part, which is an integer, plus now 2 square root of 3. So guys, this is our solution, and thank you for listening to me. Bye.